Trace the lines upon the map where the borders used to be. Now they're just some faded ink, lost inside a wider sea. We traded out the heavy armor for the weight of holding hands, building something better in the hollows of the sands. I can hear it in the silence, I can see it in the light. The shadows that we lived in are finally taking flight. Oh, we're waking up to a brand new sun, where the fight is over and the heart has won. We're dancing in the silver rain, with nothing left to lose but pain. It's a long way home, but we finally arrived in a world that's more than just alive. We're breathing deep, we're rising higher, walking through the gold. We walk through the fire, the fire, the fire. Every table has a seat, every garden's in the bloom. There's enough for everyone in every city, every room. We don't look back in anger at the ghosts of what was lost. We're just thankful for the harvest, whatever was the cost. I can hear it in the silence, I can see it in the light. The shadows that we lived in are finally taking flight. Oh, we're waking up to a brand new sun, where the fight is over and the heart has won. We're dancing in the silver rain, with nothing left to lose but pain. It's a long way home, but we finally arrived in a world that's more than just alive. We're breathing deep, we're rising higher, walking through the gold. We walk through the fire. Peace isn't just the absence of war, it's the presence of a promise. And we're keeping it. Yeah, we're keeping it. The promise of the dawn. Walking through the gold, yeah, we're finally home. The future is wide open.